Hey guys, today I'm building my very first PC. In the video it says I have a 3060, but I actually ended up changing it to a 3080, but I have a Ryzen 5 with a 5600X. Yeah, in this video guys, I didn't know if the 3080 went with 8-pin or 16-pin, and I wasn't really sure where to plug it into the power supply, but eventually I got it guys. And oh my god guys, I was like a little kid at Christmas seeing everything turn on. It was just amazing. What do you guys think though? Do you guys like it? Yes or no?